Hello kids, welcome to maths class and today we'll do factors and multiples. When a number divides the other number exactly without leaving a remainder, the divisor is called the factor of dividend and the dividend is called the multiples of divisor. Rahul wants to put 18 books in different rows. He can arrange the following ways. एक रो में टोटल 18 बुक्स रख सकता है 1 इंटू 18 18 या 9 रोज ऑफ 2 बुक्स. क्लियर? इस तरीके से भी अरेंज कर सकता है 9 इंटू 2 18. 3 रोज ऑफ 6 बुक्स इस तरीके से भी अरेंज कर सकता है 18 बुक्स को. क्लियर? 6 रोज ऑफ 3 बुक्स और 2 रोज ऑफ 9 बुक्स. सो ही कैन अरेंज द 18 बुक्स इन डिफरेंट वे. बुक सेम है बट उनका अरेंजमेंट अलग अलग है. नंबर ऑफ रोज चेंज हो जाएगी. हैंस द नंबर 1 2 6 9 और 18 दैट एग्जैक्टली डिवाइड द नंबर 18. सो ये सारे नंबर क्या हो जाएंगे 1 2 3 6 9 और 18 आर द फैक्टर्स ऑफ 18. एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं. फाइंड द फैक्टर्स ऑफ 32 एंड 36. 32 के फैक्टर्स जो होंगे क्या क्या हो जाएंगे 32 इंटू 1 32 होता है. क्लियर? 16 इंटू 2 32, 4 इंटू 8 32. तो फैक्टर हो जाएंगे 1 2 4 16 एंड 32. नेक्स्ट, प्रॉपर्टीज फैक्ट्स ऑफ फैक्टर्स. 1 इज द फैक्टर ऑफ एवरी नंबर. इट इज ऑल्सो द स्मॉलेस्ट फैक्टर ऑफ एनी नंबर. किसी भी नंबर का स्मॉलेस्ट फैक्टर क्या होगा 1. द ग्रेटेस्ट फैक्टर ऑफ एवरी नंबर इज द नंबर इटसेल्फ. किसी भी नंबर का ग्रेटेस्ट फैक्टर क्या होगा द नंबर इटसेल्फ. द फैक्टर ऑफ द नंबर इज स्मॉलर देन और इक्वल टू द नंबर. जितने भी फैक्टर्स होंगे वेदर इट्स इक्वल टू दैट नंबर और स्मॉलर दैट नंबर. द नंबर हैज द फाइनाइट नंबर ऑफ फैक्टर्स. Every number other than 1 has at least 2 factors, 1 and the number itself. Next is evaluation time 6.1. Find all the factors of the following numbers. 68 के factors हमें find out करने हैं. So 1, 2, 4, 17, 34 and 68. All these are factors of 68. Next is 8 the factor of 96. For that we'll divide 96 by 8. 8 2s are 16. Exactly divide कर रहा है that means yes 8 is the factor of 96. Next is multiples. A multiple of number is the product of given number and some other counting number. किसी भी नंबर को किसी भी काउंटिंग नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे इसका प्रोडक्ट क्या होगा मल्टीपल्स. मल्टीपल्स ऑफ 4 आर 4 इंटू 1 4, 4 इंटू 2 8, 4 इंटू 3 12. इस तरीके से हो जाएंगे 4 8 12 16 20 24 28. ऑल दीज आर मल्टीपल्स ऑफ 4. Multiple of a number comes in the multiplication table of that number. Next, relationship between factors and multiples. 6 into 7 42. So 42 क्या हो जाएगा multiples of 6 and 7. Clear? And 6 to 7 क्या हो जाएंगे factors of 42. The product of 2 or more number is the multiple of each number. Multiply each number is the factor of product. Clear? Next, properties or facts of multiples. The first and the smallest multiple of every number is the number itself. किसी भी number का smallest multiple क्या होगा number itself. Every number is the multiple of 1. Every multiple of number is greater than or equal to the number itself. किसी भी number के multiples होंगे जो smallest होगा number itself and बाकी जितने भी multiples होंगे that will be greater than number. There are finite numbers of multiples. So the largest multiple of number cannot be determined. Example लेते हैं. Find first 5 multiples of 7. तो 7 को 1 से करेंगे then 2 3 5 से इस तरीके से मल्टीप्लाई करते रहेंगे. So we'll get 7 14 21 28 and 35. These are the first 5 multiples of 7. Next is evaluation time 6.2. Write first 5 multiples of the following number. 18 ones are 18, 54, 72 and 90. Clear? Next, write 7th multiple of 10. So 7 into 10 that is 70. Next, write T for true and F for false. 69 is the multiple of 8 that is false. Next, check whether the 84 is multiple of 10 or not. 84 is not multiple of 10. उसके लिए हम क्या करेंगे 84 को 10 से डिवाइड करेंगे. अगर एग्जैक्टली डिवाइड करता है तो होगा ना अदरवाइज नहीं. 4 is remainder in this case. Remainder is there that means 84 is not the multiple of 10. Next, test of divisibility. Without actual calculation, we can find whether the number is divisible by another number or not. कैसे कर सकते हैं? Using the test of divisibility. Test of divisibility help us to do the calculation quickly. There are some rules of divisibility test. सबसे पहले हम 2 का देखेंगे. A number is divisible by 2 if ones की place digit पे 0, 2, 4, 6 है. That means number जो है वो 2 से divisible है. Like here. In the given number, ones की place पे क्या 6? That means it is divisible by 2. Next, divisibility by 3. A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of all digit that is divisible by 3. Suppose हम consider कर रहे हैं number 7563. Sum of number हो जाएगा 7 plus 5 plus 6 plus 3, that is 21, and 21 is divisible by 3. That means the given number is divisible by 3. Next is divisibility by 4. A number is divisible by 4 if the number formed by its ones and tens place digit that is divisible by 4. So in the given number, ones and tens की place की digit को मिला के बनता है 28, and 28 divisible by 4. That means the given number is divisible by 4. Next is divisibility by 5. A number is divisible by 5 if its ones place digit is 0 or 5. अगर किसी भी number में ones की place पे 0 और 5 है, that means the number is divisible by 5. So this number is divisible by 5 because इसमें ones की place पे क्या है 0. Next, divisibility by 6. A number is divisible by 6 if it is divisible by 2 and 3 both. अगर 2 और 3 दोनों से number divisible है तो that means वो 6 से भी divisible है. So in the given number, ones की place पे क्या है 6, that means it's divisible by 2. 3 के लिए हम क्या करेंगे? Sum of digit 1 plus 7 plus 4 plus 3 plus 6, that is 21. That means 3 से भी divisible है. 2 और 3 दोनों से है, that means it is divisible by 6 also. Next is divisibility by 8. A number is divisible by 8 if the number formed by its ones, tens and 100 place digit is divisible by 8. So in the given number, ones, tens और 100 की place की digit को मिला के बनता है 272 and it is divisible by 8. That means the given number is divisible by 8. Clear? Next, divisibility by 9. A number is divisible by 9 if the sum of digit is divisible by 9. So in the given number, the sum of digit is 2 plus 7 plus 5 plus 5 plus 8, that is 27. And 27 is divisible by 9. That means the given number is divisible by 9. Clear? Next is divisibility by 10. If a number have 0 at one's place, that means the given number is divisible by 10. Like here, all these numbers are divisible by 10. Note, a number which is divisible by 10 is also divisible by 5. A number which is divisible by 9, वो 3 से भी divisible होगा. Next is evolution time 6.3. Which of the following number is divisible by 2? So in the given number here ones की place पे 4 है, that means it is divisible by 2. Next, which of the following number is divisible by 3? So उसके लिए हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा? Sum of digit 5 plus 0 plus 2 plus 8 plus 1 plus 3. 8 plus 2 10, 5 15, 16, 17, 18 and 1 19. And 19 is not divisible by 3, that means the given number is not divisible by 3. Next, which of the following number is divisible by 4? So ones और tens की place की digit से number जो form हो रहा है 32 and 32 is divisible by 4, that means the given number is divisible by 4. Next, which of the following number is divisible by 5? So 5 के लिए ones की place पे 0 और 5 होना चाहिए. In the given number here it is 4, that means it is not divisible by 5. Next, which of the following number is divisible by 8? 8 के लिए ones, tens and 100 की place की digit 520, 48. That means this number is divisible by 8. Clear? Next, which of the following number is divisible by 6? 6 के लिए ये 2 से divisible है, 3 से है कि नहीं हम चेक करते हैं. 2 plus 8, 9 to 11 and 8 19, 19 and 5 24, 24 and 3 27. That means it is divisible by 3. That means ये 6 से divisible है. Next, which of the following number are divisible by 9? So हम क्या करेंगे? Sum of digit करेंगे 3 plus 7, that is 10 plus 6 16, 16 and 2 18, 18 plus 5, 23. That means the given number is not divisible by 9. Which of the following numbers divisible by 10? 10 के लिए ones की place पे 0 होना चाहिए. This number is not divisible by 10. Clear? Next, prime and composite numbers. Observe the following table. So 1 के अगर factors की बात करें, it has only one factor, that is 1. 2 के 2 factors are 1 and 2, 3 के 1 and 3, 4 के 1, 2, 4. So here the factors of the number are given between 1 to 10. So 1 has only one factor, 2, 3, 5, 7 have 2 factors, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10 have more than 2 factors. A number which have only 2 factors, 1 and the number itself वो कहलाएंगे prime numbers, and the number which have more than 2 factors, they are called composite number. 1 is neither prime nor composite number because it has only one factor. 2 is the smallest prime number. 2 is the only even prime number, otherwise all prime numbers are odd. Next is twin prime numbers. Twin prime numbers are the prime numbers whose difference is 2. Like 3 and 5, 5 and 7, twin prime numbers. Next is co-prime numbers. Two numbers whose common factor is 1 वो कहलाएंगे co-prime numbers. Like 5 and 6, 8 and 9 consecutive number क्या होंगे? Co-prime numbers. Even and odd numbers. The number which are divisible, exactly divisible by 2, they are called even number. Like 24, 66, 88, 240. The number which are not exactly divisible by 2, they are called odd number. Like 15, 133, 597, etc. Example लेते हैं, check whether the following number is prime or not. If we talk about the number 63, 63 has many factors like 1, 3, 7, 9, 21 and 63. More than 2 factors है, that means it is a composite number, not a prime number. Clear? Next is evaluation time 6.4. Fill in the blanks. Dash is neither prime nor composite. 1 is neither prime nor composite. Next, check whether the following numbers are prime or not. 61. 61 has only 2 factors, 1 and 61. That means it is a prime number. Next, write all the prime numbers between 60 to 75. 61, 67, 71, 71 and 73. Clear? Next, write all the prime numbers between 1 to 10. 1 to 10 के बीच में prime number जाएंगे 2, 3, 5 and 7. Clear? Next, which of the followings are co-prime? Co-prime numbers are the numbers which have no common factor other than 1. So 1 and 10, yes. Next is prime factorization. When a number is written in the product of its prime factors, it is called prime factorization. किसी भी number को उसके prime factors के product के form में लिखना, that is known as prime factorization. So there are two methods of prime factorization, factor tree and division method. First हम लेते हैं factor tree method. Procedure step 1. In this method, split up the given number into two factors. One is prime and other may be composite. इस तरीके से split करेंगे. Further, जो हमारा composite number है उसको हम फिर से split करेंगे into two factors. One is prime and another may be composite. Continue this process till all the factors become prime. Example लेते हैं. Find the prime factorization of 56 by factor tree method. So first जो least prime number है जिससे 56 divisible है, that is 2. So 28 is a composite number. Again इसको split करेंगे, 2 से divide करेंगे 14, again 2 से करेंगे 7. So here we got all the prime numbers. So prime factorization हो जाएगा 2 into 2 into 2 into 7. Clear? Next, division method. Procedure: divide the given number in smallest prime number which divide the number exactly. Write the quotient in the next row and divide it by the smallest possible prime number. Continue the process till the quotient become 1. Example लेते हैं. Find the prime factorization of 36 and 90 by the division method. So 36 को हम 2 से divide करेंगे 18, again 2 से करेंगे we'll get 9, 3 से करेंगे and till get 1. So prime factorization हो जाएगा 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Same way 90 का कर देंगे 2 से करेंगे 45. Now 45 is not divisible by 2 तो 3 से करेंगे we'll get 15. 3 से again करेंगे 5, 5, 1. So 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. That is a prime factorization. Next, evaluation time 6.5. Find the prime factorization of the following number by factor tree method. 48. 48 को 2 से करेंगे 24. Again 2 is a composite, for 24 is a composite number, 2 से करेंगे get 12. 12 is a composite number, so we'll divide by 2, we'll get 6. 3. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, that is the prime factorization of 48. Next, find the prime factorization of following number by division method. 68 2 से करेंगे again 2. Now 17 is a prime number, so 2 into 2 into 17, that is the prime factorization of 68. Next, highest common factor or HCF. Highest common factor क्या होता है? Highest common factor of two or more number is the greatest number that divide all the given number without leaving any remainder. So ऐसा highest number जो given numbers को exactly divide करे without leaving any remainder. Next, finding HCF by taking common factors. Find the HCF of 20 and 32. So first हम क्या करेंगे? Factors find out करेंगे 20 and 32 के. So these are the factors of 20 and these are the factor of 32. Now we'll find out the common factors. So common factors are 1, 2 and 4. What is the highest common factor? 4. So 4 will be the HCF for 20 and 32. Next method, by prime factorization method. In this method, we'll find the prime factorization of the number and find their common prime factors. The product of the common factors is the required HCF. Suppose we have to find out the HCF of 72 and 84. तो हम prime factorization करेंगे. Now जो भी common factor है उनका product 2 into 2 into 3. That is 10. That is the HCF of given number. Clear? Next, properties of HCF. The HCF of two or more number cannot be greater than any one of the number. जो भी given number है उससे ज़्यादा नहीं हो सकता HCF. If one of the number is the factor of another number, then HCF will be the smallest number. HCF of co-prime numbers is 1. Next is evolution time 6.6. Find the HCF of following numbers by the common factor method. So factors of 20, that is 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. Factors of 60, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 10, 12, 30 and 60. Clear? 72 के factors 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 36 and 72. कॉमन फैक्टर्स अगर बात करें 1, 2, 4, among these which is the highest common factor? अगर जो highest common factor है that is 4. तो HCF क्या हो जाएगा? HCF will be 4. Clear? Next, find the HCF of following numbers by prime factorization method. 18, 24 and 48. 18 का prime factorization करेंगे 24, 12, and 48. into 3, 3, 1. Now 18, that is 2 into 3 into 3. 24, that is equals to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 48, that is equals to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. कॉमन फैक्टर्स 2 हो जाएगा एंड 3, 6. So HCF क्या आ जाएगा 6. Clear? Next, show the following numbers are co-prime using HCF method. So 18 and 25 का अगर HCF निकालें हम, so they have no common factor other than 1. That means they are co-prime numbers. Clear? Next, least common multiple or LCM. The least common multiples of 2 or more numbers is the smallest number of their common multiples. LCM of 2 or more numbers is the smallest number which exactly divisible by the given number. So LCM by taking the common multiples, find the common multiples of the given number and then take the lowest common multiple. Example लेते हैं LCM of 5 and 6, तो हम 5 and 6 के multiples find out करेंगे. Among these, which one is the least? Least is 30. So LCM क्या हो जाएगा 30. Next, LCM by taking prime factorization. In this method, we find the prime factorization of given number, then we multiply the common factor and the uncommon factor. और जो product आएगा that will be the LCM of given number. Example लेते हैं, we have to find the LCM of 24 and 36. So अब इसे common factor हो जाएंगे 2, 2 and 3 and non common हो जाएंगे 2 into 3. So 2 into 2 into 3 into 2 into 3, that is 72. That will be the LCM of given numbers. Clear? Next, properties or fact of LCM. The LCM of 2 or more number cannot be less than any one of the number. If one number is the factor of another number, LCM क्या होगा greater number. Next is evaluation time 6.7. Find the LCM of following numbers by taking the common multiples 2 and 6. 2 के multiples की बात करें तो 2, 4, 6, 12. Now 6, 12. So common multiples 6, 12 तरीके से होंगे. लीस्ट इज 6. सो LCM क्या हो जाएगा 6. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट, फाइंड द LCM ऑफ फॉलोइंग बाय टेकिंग द प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड. सो 30 का प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन करेंगे हम 15 and 45. 15 so 2 into 3 into 5 30 का हो जाएगा and 45 का हो जाएगा 3 into 3 into 5. Now common factors, that is 5 and 3. So LCM हो जाएगा 5 into 3 into 3 into 2. 45 into 90. LCM हो जाएगा 90. Next is look back. A factor is the number which divide the given number exactly without leaving the remainder. 1 is the factor of every number. A factor of a number is smaller than or equal to a number. A multiple of the product of 2 or more number. Every number is the multiple of 1. The number which have only 2 factors, that is called the prime number, such as 2, 3, 5, 7, etc. The number which have more than 2 factors, that is called composite numbers, such as 4, 6, 9, 10, so on. The prime numbers whose difference is 2, they are called 10 prime. 2 numbers whose common factors are 1, they are called co-prime. The numbers which are divisible by 2, they are called even number. The number which are not divisible by 2, they are called odd numbers. The highest common factor, HCF of 2 or more number, is the greatest number that divide all the number without leaving any remainder. The least common multiple, yani LCM of 2 or more numbers, that is the smallest number which is exactly divisible by all given number. Clear? Next is mental zone. Fourth multiple of 8, that is 32. 4 into 8, that is 32. Next is multiple choice questions. Tick the correct option. HCF of co-prime number is 1. So B is the correct option here. Here we end the chapter. I hope you understand the chapter well. Now to practice it.